and I'm really on that new way. There's no ceiling when you start.
Gusto ko sana makatapos siya ng kanyang pag-aaral. Yun lang naman talagang ng isang magulang, makatapos ang kanyang himala.
And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go. I feel like, whoa.
Sa ngayon, hindi na siya kagaya ng dati na sakitin. Ngayon, medyo okay na rin siya. Sa awa ng Diyos, binigyan siya ng malusog na pangangatawan at
Ba-ba-da-bow. Everybody wants to know the secret to the world. Don't think there is one. Yeah. It's okay for you to let it go. You ain't gotta do it on your own. You can sing along with me like ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-bow. And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold.
kung ano yung gusto niya ang laki, hindi dito lang ng mga transport.
Hi Aliyah! Happy birthday Aliyah!
Happy birthday, Aliyah! Happy birthday, Aliyah! Happy birthday, Aliyah!
Ang message ko sa kay Aliyah, sana'y malaki siyang malusog, hindi takiki. Maging tapat sa kapwa, matulungin, may takot sa Diyos, at higit sa lahat, matupad niya ang pangarap niya.
Was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go. I feel like, whoa, life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know. Every day I keep moving forward. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da, yeah.
Happy birthday at nandito lang si Daddy. I love you.
Thank you for coming.